Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the unboxing of this Indus Valley pre-seasoned cast iron with concave shape dosa tawa. This is 100% iron material, cast iron, and there is free wooden flip also. And the dimensions is 10 inch and 25.4 centimeter diameter. So let us quickly open the box here. See here, there is Indus Valley branding on the box. Let me just take this out. The cast iron tawa here. There are two products inside. One is the cast iron and the other is the wooden flip, which is free for this. And at the end of the video, I'll also check the online details. The user got this from the Flipkart, like around 1000 rupees or something like that, close to 1000. Yeah, this is, let us keep this aside. Let me take this cover also. Let us check. And in the online details, it was shown like this is almost nearly to 2 kilo. 2 kilo in the sense 1900 grams. Yeah, this is the, see here, the Indus Valley. There is a branding here. And it is mentioned like it is pre-seasoned. There is no need of seasoning this. But anyway, you can wash it thoroughly and you can use it. Yeah, this is on the front side. Let me just open this wooden flip which is given along with this for to just flip the dosas, and this is on the back side. You can see in the product it is stated that it is concave dosa tawa. Yes, I can see the concave shape, slightly the concave shape I can see, the oval or the concave shape, and this is on the front side. Yeah, this is not flat. Okay, this is not flat. Slightly there's a bend which is they mention like concave, and this is the Indus Valley wooden flip which is very lightweight. Okay, let us keep this aside. And yeah, this is the close look. This is a close look here. Yes, right away you can use it for dosas, and it's also mentioned like not only dosas, you can also make rotis on this. I checked the online details. Anyway, at the end of the video I'll show you the ratings, the overall ratings, and the price now, and the weight, and the other details we'll discuss by looking at the online store which the user bought it from Flipkart. Let us go to the online store now. Yeah, this is the product, the Indus Valley pre-seasoned cast iron concave dosa tawa with free wooden flip, which is of 10 inch and 25.4 centimeters diameter. This is the one I have shown you earlier in the video which I did the unboxing, and the user got this for 1000 rupees somewhere, and now it is showing 7 rupees less. Okay, that's good. And we'll check the other details. And coming to the what is this thickness, which is 10 inch, as you have already shown you. I just shown you the edge. So this is of 10 inch, and the diameter is 25.4 centimeter, which is decent. And the concave, I have shown you the shape, right? I just flipped this, the back side I have shown you, which is of the concave shape for the even distribution of the heat. And this is pre-seasoned, as I already told you. This is pre-seasoned, means you can directly use, but anyway you need to wash it for 2-3 times and you can use it. Yeah, and truly healthy tawa. Okay, iron, which is iron by iron, right? Cast iron, 100% pure they are mentioning. And coming to the ratings, it is 3.8. okay, decent, excellent cooking result. And if you want results, means how it is doing, like when you do dosas on this tawa, and if you want those results, please do ask in the comments, so that I'll be posting a video on that. Means how are the result, how are the dosas coming if by using this iron tawa, pure iron tawa. Okay, you can make dosas, roti, omelette, uttappam, paratha, sandwich, and these are the things. Yeah, and are there any details? Made of cast iron type tawa, and yeah. So if possible, I'll be dropping this product in the view products. You can check for the more details. Yeah, the weight is almost 2 kilo, 100 grams less than 2 kilo. Yeah. And for the review video also, if you want the review video of this, please do ask in the comments so that I'll be posting it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.